Hi, Todd Hudzel from MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today I'm standing on a 2005 Sea Ray 300 Sundancer. This is a great cruising boat for a couple or a family. It's got tons of comfortable cockpit seating. This particular boat has about 425 hours on it. The comfortable seating, tons of good helm seating, a nice wet bar with a refrigerator in the cockpit. Makes for a comfortable day boat in this part of the boat. Most of the boats in this size range, when you get down in the cabin, this whole area is a convertible dinette. So when you're trying to sleep here, you have to convert it back and forth, which is kind of a pain, and it fills this area so that if one person wakes up before the other, they're in the other's way, and you can't get up and make a cup of coffee or hang out here because there's nowhere to sit. This boat, at 30 feet, has a dedicated berth both forward and aft, so everybody can be comfortable and you don't have to wake up your spouse to make a cup of coffee in the morning. So come on down to MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Check out this boat for yourself. It's a great buy. It's going to make somebody a fantastic cruising and day boat.